Hey everybody, Marc Supsic here. Let's check out the wines in this latest weekly tasting pack. This is the 2017 Les Cerisiers from Pascal Aufranc. It is named after the old cherry trees that are planted on the plot of 60-year-old vines. All right, let's get our swirl and our sniff on. It's really strong with cranberry and spice, which is one of the reasons why these Gamay wines are so fantastic with holiday dinners. That's fresh and fruity. There's this floral quality to it, but there is a savoriness there. Imagine baking a pomegranate. It's interesting because on the Pascal Aufranc website, they say that these grapes grow amongst the cherry trees, and therefore the wine tastes like cherries and kirsch. It's a romantic notion, but there's no real proof that that phenomenon exists. But if you put your mind to it, you can imagine that this wine tastes a lot like cherries. So there it is, the 2017 Les Cerisiers from Pascal Aufranc, the beautiful Beaujolais Cru that starts out fruity and fresh, but shows some savory complexity to it as well. And it comes with a cool story. All right, thanks so much for tasting with me today, and I'll catch you for the next bottle. Cheers.